Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Market. Actually, today I am going to discuss you about today's analysis. See, market is today little bit tricky, but if you taken with complete knowledge means it will be easy. Why? Because today I will tell you. See, guys, actually my today's trade actually I draw a trend line. I draw a trend line from here. This is the one level pivot high and another level pivot high. So that's the reason I just draw that line. So exactly market touches there. See, market touches there, and again it comes down. See, actually what is means. See, market opens with a bearish candle, bearish momentum candle for downside. See, again it doesn't sustain. Why? Because there is a pivot low will be here, and exactly the target will be also here. Last trading day section, market reached successfully to that region. Again market opens with bearish candle, but it doesn't sustain, and it looks like going for a the signal going for upside only. So that's the reason I taken a trade like this only, guys. See, I taken the trade. What means see to it reaches ks line, sorry, ts line. So that's the reason ts line, and that's the reason have taken the trade 19,650 PE sell. I taken the trade 19,650 PE sell, and after that it reaches upside, and it comes up to cloud level. It doesn't sustain for upside. Why? Because there is a trend line. So that's the reason it doesn't touches upside, and again it comes back to downside. So that's the reason it will be again giving the confirmation market will comes downside or corrective mode. So that's the reason it doesn't sustain downside, sorry, upside. So it comes back. So that's the reason I have taken one more trade, 19,800 CE sell. 19,800 CE sell. Why? Because I taken there is a flat SSB. So that's the reason it acts as a support and resistance. I already told. So that's the reason 19,800 CE sell I have taken, and again it comes back, but I didn't exit my trade. Here it crosses, here it crosses. So that's the reason I just exit my trade. Here I just exit my trade. Which trade I exit? Actually I exited 19,650 PSL I exited, and again it goes back, so that's the reason again it goes back, but I didn't take any trade. Why? Because I didn't take any trade. Why? Because there is a trend line, and again it acts as a, see, it acts as a top, pivot top, and it acts, there is a two pivot level high. So that's the reason I waited. If it crosses with a momentum candle, again if it crosses with a momentum candle, I will exit my CE sell position, and I will take 3 lots again for PE sell for adjustments. See, guys, for adjustments I just marked these levels. So that's the reason I waited, and again it comes back. So successfully it comes back. So that's the reason I have just increased my CE sell position 19,800, 2 more lots. Hopefully ended with a green. Today I ended with a green, guys. So that's the reason adjustment is very important. If like, see, my capital is high, so that's the reason I will adjust my trade. So that's the reason today end up with a little green, guys. And if like this corrective mood is happen, means you have to watch the trend lines, you have to watch the pivot high levels also. See, here is the pivot high. So that's the reason I have drawn my trend line. It crosses, but it doesn't goes upside. Why? Because I waited for flat SSP will be here, and another pivot high will be here. So it near to the these levels. So that's the reason I just waited for that level. If again it crosses with the momentum candle and makes some retracement, goes up, means definitely I will add my 3 PE lots and I will exit my CE sell, guys. Again it comes back, so the here the time is already 2 o'clock, so that's the reason I entered 2 more lots up to 3:15. I will just continue my trade up to CE sell side. So hopefully finally end of the last time I just completed my profit with green. See, if option buyers means doesn't have any chances. If option buyers means if option buyer means see, if here see guys, if here it comes down again, some makes some retracement, it crosses with the pivot low and it again it some makes some retracement, means then only I will entered with the P sell, sorry, P buy position. Otherwise it will be more risky trade, so that's the reason I didn't enter that trade. So hopefully guys, if corrective mood means just watch some trend lines and pivot high and support and resistance, then only I will take that type trades. 90% of 70% of chances in market, 70 day in 100 days, 70 days will be in corrective mode, market will be in corrective mode. That time we just analyze pivot high levels and price action levels. See, there is a lot here, 2 levels are pivot low and these are the trend line. Today's trading section, it will be helps me lot, guys. And see, yesterday last 18th day, there will be a price action in pivot low level, so that's the reason it just act in same levels on 21st and 24th. Even 24th, that means today, even in again it crosses with some crosses and again it goes back, so it will be in corrective mood, but no problem. I will end up with my session with green, that means profit. Okay, now I am going to TCS. Exactly today even today market gives some signals in TCS, but again it comes down, so that's the reason here we have to take one I have to take one loss, that means stop loss will hit it. If I take here or here, means again it comes down, so that's the reason it gives a stop loss, but I didn't take trade today. Why? Because Nifty is in corrective mode, so that's the reason I didn't touch any equity stocks. As per my analysis, HDFC also in corrective mode and Reliance also big fall, so that's the reason I didn't take risk. So that's the reason I didn't take equity shares, equity trading. Again today another one chance will be there with here another chance will be there at here, but it doesn't sustain upside, so that's the reason again ended with the stop loss. So 2 stop loss will be hit if I take TCS, means but I didn't take. See, loss will be a part of trading, guys, but if loss will be small, means we will survive in stock market. That will be the true thing and true lines. See, if see tomorrow if market, I will tell Nifty. See, I already marked these levels today for downside. As per my analysis, if market goes up to here, means again market will come down. Definitely I think one more fall will be there in Nifty, but let's see. I think see, I will mark levels. See, market, if market is open with gap up, means market will go up to here, up to here, up to here. Again if crosses with the momentum candle means okay. Tomorrow if goes market upside means I will trade with PE sell only. I will not enter with option buying. Why? Because market will be in corrective mode, so that's the reason. If goes up to there means market this level. Again if market crosses with the momentum candle means I will trade up to here. If crosses with pivot all time high means then only I have a guarantee to market will go upside. As per my analysis, 90% of chances next days, some days 2 or 3 days, or let's see, market will go downside also. Possibilities, highly possibilities for downside. Market gives some correction for upcoming days. Let's see if again comes up to there means chances of again pull to downside. So if comes back means I have marked these levels again, 19,640, 19,616, and again one support level will be there. I will see that level also. If sustain means the downside, if sustains means uh, I will trade next levels also. Both side I already explained, guys. If market goes upside means I will take PE sell. I will take P PE sell. If market comes downside means I will take CE sell. If comes downside means I will take 19,750 CE. If goes upside means with this level means makes retracement means I will take 19,650 PE sell. Like that I will trade. Even tomorrow market having a chance, if TCS goes one time high up to here means again it gives signal for downside means have a chance to downside. TCS having a chance one more fall is there. So let's see what will happen. If goes up to flat SSB, again it gives the signal TSKS breaks means have to watch this flat SSB also. If crosses means definitely market will come up to this level, up to this level, this level. Let's see what will happen. I will meet you in tomorrow's after trading.